still. And Mommy, my incubators are really seeing the weathers. Mommy.
What?
Did
you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have feathers my balloons. Yeah. Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
What?
Yellow bird is hungry.
Yoda bird is hungry?
Yeah.
What do you think he wants?
He wants cereal and milk.
Oh. Did you ask him?
Yellow bird, you have any milk? And you have any cereal? No. Yeah. Red bird, you have any milk? And you have cereal? Yes.
So what did they say?
They say yes.
Yes. Are they ready to go to bed?
They're hungry. But they have no milk.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. But
Isn't that what Alex's problem is too? Alex don't have milk?
yes, I have milk.
You drink it all.